we want to look at simplifying rational expressions. And so often you'll look at these problems and you will not have a clue what to do. And that's okay. So what you want to be accustomed to is when I see a problem, the first thing I want to do is I want to factor it. So if I have no idea what else to do, I'm going to factor. So if I look at the numerator, I see that they have x squared in common, and they have x plus 3 over x plus 3. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to determine what the denominator cannot be. And in this case, remember, we're going to take the denominator, we're going to set it equal to 0, and we're going to solve for x. So when I do that, I find out that x cannot be -3. So I'm going to come back to what I had written when I factored. And I know that anything over itself is 1. So I'm actually going to get x squared, and then I'm going to carry with that x cannot be -3. So let's look at the one on the right. Again, not sure what to do, so I'm going to factor. And I know that's a difference of two squares, so I'm going to have x minus 1, and I'm going to have x plus 1. And then on the bottom, I know that, or I think I know, that I'm going to have an x and an x. I'm going to have the factors of 1. Signs are the same, they're going to add up to 2. So they're both going to be plus. Again, I need to find out what the denominator cannot be. So I've got x plus 1 equals 0, and I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. So x cannot be -1. But I do notice that what I wrote, I've got anything over itself is 1. So they cancel. So I'm going to get x minus 1 over x plus 1. And then x cannot equal -1.